This is not a routine battlefield update. This is something bigger, something deeper, something more mysterious. A claim that is now spreading fast and catching global attention. According to reports linked to the Iranian media, the United States Central Command may have used a new kind of weapon, quietly deployed near one of Iran's most secretive military sites. Not above the ground, though, not visible, but somewhere near what Iran calls its missile cities. Let's pause here. What are these missile cities? First of all, let me explain that. They are believed to be deep underground network, hidden facilities where Iran stores and prepares its own missiles. Built inside mountains, reinforced, protected, designed to survive even heavy airstrikes. And now, according to these claims, something unusual has happened nearby. Well, there are mentions of strange deployment, something dropped from the air, something that could be designed not to destroy immediately but to block, to disable, or to trap these underground systems. Well, some reports are even using the term gators, a mysterious reference that has sparked speculations. Is it a code name, a new technology, or just a part of a narrative in an ongoing information war? Because wait, here's the reality. There is no independent confirmation of this weapon, no official acknowledgement, no verified proof. But the timing is what is making this more interesting. This claim comes as tension rise around the Strait of Hormuz, one of the most important routes for the global oil and trade. A region where both sides are watching each other closely and preparing for what comes next. Well, if such a weapon exists, and that's still a big if, it can signal a shift in strategy, moving from direct strike to more advanced, targeted disruption, a way to neutralize capabilities without triggering immediate, large-scale retaliation. But again, we come back to the key question: is this a real deployment, or part of a growing psychological and information warfare between the both sides? Because not everything is visible, not everything is confirmed, and sometimes the biggest weapon is the story itself.